Welcome back to the another video of Carbon Custom. So today we unbox this Toyota Fortuner Legender model. This is a metal 1/32 scale model, and I think this is the first ever YouTube video. I can unbox this 1/32 metal Toyota Fortuner Legender scale model. Before I search in YouTube, but no video of this car, so I think I am the first. So let's unbox the car. So this is our 1/32 scale model. You can see this is a fully metal body with a boot of fiber boot. Like this part is a fiber, and this is where showing in this video, and you if you see this car in real, no problem. We wrap this dicky in white color, and also we wrap this hood and this side panel in black, because in the rear car you can see the image in screen. This rear car is showing this like, so we can convert this or adding some details in this car. Now talking in front side, you can see in front this is original headlamp, like the shape is full detailed with original Toyota Fortuner, and it's working. Let's I show you. You can press this car and you can see that this lights is blinking, and also sound in this car like horn sound, and you can see the over here Toyota logo, and the grill is in white color. No problem, again we add detail with black color in next part. And you can see the front look is also a match with original car. This is not a licensed product, but details is good according to a price and size. Inside shape, little bit car seat uh, not shapeable like original Fortuner. And you can see the features is you can open the door of this car, and also lights are blinking in open door. And you can see the alloys is good but not match this car, but don't worry, we change the this alloys with another alloy. Have lots of option with alloys. In back again, this is a Toyota logo, and this tail lights is a colored and casted tail light, not any fiber and any like mirror piece. This is only a paint and casting product. And this is a spoiler, it's also fitted in gate. And best detail I like in this car, which is this hood is openable, and you can see the dicky is huge dicky in this car, and this door is also a very unique features in this car. You can see, and in real little bit changes through original car compared to a original car. Like in original car there is a splitters over here and silencer pipe, but in this car no, because this is not a licensed product, so not accepted. And this is a full back action car, so you can use for shoots, and you can add in your collection in like the bigger size. In past I collect this Senti Toys old shape Fortuner, and totally I modified this Fortuner into a off-roading. So this is a modified, and now this is our Legender. So yeah, great to see in my collection this Legender. So thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and share the video and subscribe the channel. And you can DM me in Instagram, link in description, to buy such car, and you can customize your scale model with me. So thank you for watching. Bye.